What is up, everyone? This is Rafe with Central Ops, the premier off-road customization shop in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Today, I have a 2023 Silverado. We put a Eibach Stage 2R coilover setup that can go all the way up to 4 inches in total, but we are set at a leveling height, so it's about 1 inch in the back and about 3.5 in the front to keep it leveled with some Cognito upper control arms. It doesn't need it necessarily, but we put it on there. The customer wanted it and it looks great. And to pair it up, we put on some Method machine wheels with some 315 BFG KO3 tires. And it's a beautiful setup. It looks great. It's ready to go off-road. And to tell you a little bit more on how it fits, it does require a little bit of trimming. The back right here, you have to trim a little bit of the fender liner, a little bit of that plastic that sits right here. And then to also pair it up, we put on an MBRP exhaust. It's a catback exhaust system. We'll play some clips that you can hear. And we also put on an intake system in there to pair it all together to make it a nice off-road build. So if you want your truck to look like this, give us a call at 833-268-2577 or check out our website at centralops.com, and we'd love to help you out.